Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is a South Bend 9-inch lathe. It has a 3.5-foot bed. It measures approximately 24 inches between centers. Serial number 94975, which puts it at about 1940. It has a 3/4 horse single phase 115 volt motor. It is gear change. We have a few extra. I pulled the covers off and the back gears are intact, no chipped teeth. Has the 1.5" spindle thread. Have a 5" 3 jaw, only one set of jaws though. Lantern tool post. Do not have a thread dial for it. Horse taper 2 in the tailstock. Cast iron legs. And this lathe used to belong to Mr. Pete's dad. And I'm going to link a video too that he posted when he was over here to visit it a couple weeks ago. Explains some of the unique qualities of this machine. It was stored in the cold for a while, so there's chipping paint. It does reverse. Thanks for looking.